Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Yamaha R1 superbike. 1,000 cc's, liquid cooled, fuel injected performance, beautiful black and white racing livery, smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, frame sliders, brand new front tire, adjustable rear set foot pegs, two brother black series exhaust, fender eliminator, only 29,000 miles on this amazing superbike. Come by, make your big bore leader bike dreams come true for just $49.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.